Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla. I am the course instructor for this course Generative AI for Beginners. Yes, I am having a past 2 decades of experience in IT industry. So having an experience and adding these AI tools, like how we are going to learn quickly concepts of our software industry or any other relevant industries to work with the software products. I'm going to exploring and elaborating the topics which are highly essential for software developers, programmers, various industries like marketing, sales, these all. So how to getting start with this generative AI using OpenAI like a ChatGPT tools. Let's come up with this getting started. Introduction. Welcome here to use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down video, complete the program. So learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to apply practical exercises one by one, and all the prompts which you are going to be collecting you need to apply as a practical. How to get help? Check your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help, Google or prompting are also an option for developers. Stack Overflow search engine techniques. Submit your questions on Asking QA forum for detailed what you have tried with the screenshot error code practiced by you. How to approach the course? The best way to approach the course is to review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. In generative AI, you have to write your prompt and get like a more accurate response. How you are writing a more accurate prompting, then definitely you will get a highly accurate response from generative AI. Yes, you need to modify your prompt and re-ask. Follow the video guide with extra notebook information for practice. Review certain information by reading examples in parts video sessions explained. Thanking you.